What's up everyone? Today we're looking at functions in Python, but not just how to write them. We're exploring why they are treated as first-class citizens. This means functions behave exactly like regular variables. Let's look at the code. Part 1. Functions are objects. Every function in Python is an object behind the scenes, meaning it has its own built-in attributes and metadata. Okay, we can inspect its name and docstring directly, or even assign it to a new variable. Like this, and output. Let's print output in part 2. Callables and underscore call underscore. To check if an object can be executed, Python uses callable functions return true because they contain a hidden magic method called call. Okay, let's print. Okay. Part 3. Passing functions as arguments. Since functions act like variables, you can pass them as inputs into other functions. This is perfect for building wrapper tools or logging systems. Excuse me. Okay, let's run and print. Part 4. Advanced trick, flipping map. Instead of mapping one function over multiple numbers, we can flip the logic and map a list of functions over one piece of data. Print and output like this. Let's run. As you can see, functions are dynamic objects that give Python incredible flexibility. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.